If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for more of our videos and updates. Thank you. Hello guys, today I will teach you how to hide the likes and dislikes count in your YouTube videos. First thing to do is to go to your YouTube studio. Then, go to the settings and select Upload Defaults. Go to the advanced settings and uncheck the Users can view ratings for this video. Hit the save button, and now all the videos that you will upload will not show likes and dislikes count by default. Now, if you want to hide the likes and dislikes for a specific video only, just go to the video and go to the details. In the bottom of that, you will see show how many viewers like and dislike this video. Just uncheck it and hit save.